Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to History with Arewa. My name is Arewa and welcome you to my channel. If you are new, kindly click on that subscribe button and don't forget to on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I drop a new video, so you can come and check it out. Also, this is a Yoruba and English channel, so méjèèjì ni mo máa ń sọ papọ̀ ní ibi báyìí. Thank you guys for joining me once again. Thank you. Don't forget to follow our two other channel, SMC, that is Social Media Cut with Arewa, and Intimacy with Arewa. For any advert support, donation, or for any other discussion, a follow-up discussion, my contact is going to be down below in the description box, and I'm also going to leave it in the comment section area. +234 811 084 5303. If there's anything concerning the history that you don't understand, you can reach me on WhatsApp, you can call me, and then we deliberate. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for always coming by. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and I really appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much. So let us move on today's episode of History with Arewa, and misconceptions about Yoruba history and history in general. This is the series 2, lórí the history, creation history according to Ifá tí à ń bá bọ̀. So apá kejì ni eléyìí. So let us get into it. So we will continue where we stopped the last series 1. Àti bẹ́ẹ̀ láti máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ti èní. So when Orunmila was coming into this world, Orunmila brought 1,460 apes and gave Osoin 60. Orunmila planted 1,084 apes, but Osoin began to manipulate with the 60 that was given to him. After that, he began to manipulate and combine various herbs and roots. So bí Osoin ṣe jẹ́ expert nìyẹn. So ẹni tó ní herbs and roots go is Orunmila. Nítorí wípé Orunmila was the one Elédùmarè handed it to. So Ifá said when Orunmila went back to Elédùmarè, then ó wá sọ fún Elédùmarè wípé the mission has been accomplished. Elédùmarè blessed Orunmila. Ògún àti Ọbàtálá àti Orunmila gbogbo wọn kóra wọn lọ sọ́dọ̀ Elédùmarè padà. Elédùmarè handed Elédùmarè béèrè that when you went to planet Earth, what food were you eating? Ògún said wood. Elédùmarè said I'm máa pè wọ́n ní baba jẹgijẹgi. Baba jẹgijẹgi. Elédùmarè now ask Ọbàtálá, when you went to the world, what were you eating? What were you eating? Ọbàtálá said he was drinking water. Elédùmarè said, ìwọ o, a máa pè ẹ́ ní baba mumimumi. We'll be calling you, you'll be called Baba Mumimumi. Baba Mumimumi. Bí Ọbàtálá ṣe di Baba Mumimumi nìyẹn tí Ògún jẹ́ Baba Jẹgijẹgi. You Orunmila, what did you eat? He said food. You will be called Baba Jeun Jeun. Baba Jeun Jeun. That is the food eater. And that is the reason why àwọn ọmọ Ejiogbe, they create fast. Because they are gifted. Although they don't normally skip code, that it is not advisable for them to skip. If they skip food, it will not, they will not survive. All Ojogbe children. That is what Ifá said. Now, Elédùmarè made a divine pronouncement. Nǹkan tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí, bó ṣe máa continue láti máa happen for life. ìyẹn tí ayé bá ṣì ń jẹ́ ayé. Now ẹ má gbàgbé pé Orungun is still working today. The assignment of Orungun is still working till date. The assignment of Baba Sanwo-Ogbesuwon is still happening till today. The assignment of Oluiwaye is still happening today. This particular one, when we wake up in the morning, we will watch our teeth. We will go out to use our brush to watch our teeth. A máa jẹ pákò. Ìyẹn ló máa represent wood. Kíyàn jẹ pákò. Ṣé mọ̀ káwa Yorùbá? A máa ń rún pákò, a máa ń jẹ pákò. That is the chewing stick. Then after that, a máa mu omi láti fi rinse our mouth. A máa bomi fi ṣan ẹnu. A dé lọ wẹ̀. Then after ìgbà yẹn, a máa lọ jẹun. We go and eat. So we still follow the same pattern of Ogun, Obatala, and Orunmila. We still follow it. That is what Ifa said. That is why there's nobody in this world that is not affiliated to Ogun, Obatala, and Orunmila. We are still even following what they did till now. Then after this, Eledumare now bring two, young, two young Irumole, to hold this planet Earth in the north and in the south, to hold it in the north and the south. What that means is that no matter what anybody says, this planet Earth will not collude with any other planets. I've read some things. So Jeripe, that maybe this planet want to collide with this planet àtàwọn kan bẹ́ẹ̀. Because Eledumare specifically said that it will not happen. So it will not happen. This whole world can change. But in Koti Eledumare ti sọ will never change. And the voice of Eledumare is Ifa. Sa Otura. Ifa specifically says, what is the truth is the truth. It means that to bá gbọ́ nǹkan kan láti ọ̀dọ̀ Ifa, we are hearing the truth from Eledumare. This planet Earth will never collide with any other planet. Because the Irumole that is holding this planet Earth in the north is called Olokundudu. It is called Olowududu. Sorry, it is called Olowududu. 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 Oloruggu. Olowududu. The one that is holding it from the base, the south. It is called Olofinkin. Olofinkin. Olobirkin. That is what Ifa said. And then what that means is that the Olo is often denoting where Olofinkin is holding the southern pole. So it will not collude. And then you will notice that the world is rotating anti-clockwise. That is the work of Baba Sanwo-Ogbesuwon. Look at all the it is all this even modern day invention in old writing. It is from the right to the left. It is all this modern day invention that they will tell you is from the left to the right. Now, we are now in the stage of cosmopoly. This is the time that beings wants to come into the world. The first thing to do was to make this earth habitable. Now, Eledumare gave Orunmila the assignment in Oyofun Ogbe. Go and plant roots, herbs, etc. And he did. Then by then, remember that there was Olokun on earth. This Olokun that I'm referring to is a male. Male energy is a male. But meanwhile, there are 4 types of Olokun. Mo ti ṣàlàyé tẹ́lẹ̀ gan rí. The first one ni Olokun Ìjíǹjí, the primordial one. That is the Olokun of the primordial time. Olokun Ìjíǹjí. It is a male energy, male. That Olokun was given 6 pots. And the 6 of them were put in 6 different strategies on hearts. Now that is why when in Ifa, when you read Ifa, for example in Otura Osukpa, they will be saying that they cast Ifa for Olokun when the water in the pot was not enough to wash their hands or their legs. It is true, lo, won paro to Tony. It was only 6 pots. And then Olosa have fewer water compared to Olokun. You hear that when the water in Osa was not enough to wash their legs, they continue to offer Ebo. They continue to cast Ifa. Ifa says that Olokun consulted Ifa. All the 256 Odus, Olokun. And Olokun offered Ebo. With all the Irumoles. Olosa offered Ebo with 128 Odus. They continue to do it. They continue to do it. So there is water already. But there is no air to breathe. Then some crops begin to grow. They begin to bring out gas. If I penny ear ARY. So it will make it possible for being to stay there. So and that was how a niño was created. A niño. They are not like human beings. So the first set are not human beings. When a niño came, they were experts in technology. They know how to, manipulate different things. If I saw wípé nǹkan táwọn ènìyàn tí wọ́n ń ṣe begin to bring out. It became benevolent to all those crops and trees. And when the plants, begin to excrete, it became benevolent to a niño. So when we talk about oxygen and hydrogen, carbonics, you can see that if I go to Songori thousands of centuries ago, if I start to pay, so to the buy, they're moving on. Oh. These people, they were doing everything to just spoil to ruin the earth, to spoil the earth. And so many manipulations have been creating so many evil things. Bí nǹkan táwa ń ṣe ní ìsinyìí gan, so many explosives, so many destructions. Nínú Ifá. Tí Ifá bá sọ pé nǹkan ò dá, tán bá sọ pé nǹkan ò dá. In Ifá, that is not bad, it is good. Elédùmarè now decided to answer the prayer of Olókun and Ọlọ́sà. So the water, àwọn omi tó wà ní underground, wọ́n ṣe kí ni, they rose up. When they came up, they destroyed most of the aliens. But then some of them survived though. Some of them survived. So that is how we have water all over the earth. Now let's go back now to Genesis. In the beginning, God created heaven and earth. And the world was without void. And the Spirit of God was hovering over water. So to the Bible. Go to Ọ̀kànràn Àjàgùnlẹ̀. Ọ̀kànràn wọ́nrín. Ọ̀kànràn Àjàgùnlẹ̀ onílẹ̀ ló láre àjèjì ọmọ ẹsẹ̀ ẹlẹ́tọ̀. Dá Oòduà lọ́jọ́ tí bàbá ń relé ayé. Ọ̀kànràn Àjàgùnlẹ̀. That was the Ifá that was cast for Olófin Ọ̀tẹ̀tẹ̀. Tá máa pè l'Ódùduwà later. When he was going to the world filled with water. That is stage number 4. Táwọn Orunmila ń bọ̀. Food with water is where the story of the Bible now, ibi táwọn ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ tí wọ́n nìyẹn. So what happened in the first 3 stages is not there. To complete. Now we are in the 4th stage now. Again, Elédùmarè decided to send Ọbàtálá again. Láti lọ ṣe. Again ni o. Bàbá Ọbàtálá tún fail, òrìṣà ńlá fail. Nítorí wípé Ọbàtálá ti mú wọn tí yó. Now, ẹ má gbàgbé wípé as at that time, there were already plants and roots. Many. Ẹ má gbàgbé. Many even failed self. Olófin Ọ̀tẹ̀tẹ̀ volunteered himself to go. Ṣé mọ̀ pé many people wọ́n máa ń sọ wípé Odùduwà is the father of Yorùbá. That is true in a way o. Ṣé rí Olófin Ọ̀tẹ̀tẹ̀ tá ń pè l'Ódùduwà is the father of human beings. But by then there was nobody on earth. That is human being. Now it is Olófin Ọ̀tẹ̀tẹ̀. The primordial Odùduwà ni mò ń sọ yìí o. Nígbà tó dé, there were 7 women who escaped death. Àwọn obìnrin yìí. These women are initiators. Àwọn tá ń pè ní Iniyan, initiators of those Iniyan. They are the matrons of the Iyamis. Ó yẹ kó ti yé yín. They are the originators of the Iyamis. Oshorunga. The name of the 7 of them is Afọ́orí, Amọ̀ọ́rí, Òkémọwọ́, Ògémẹsẹ̀, Ògómàgóàrí. Ògémọwọ́, Ògémẹsẹ̀, Ògómàgóàrí. Akọgun Òkúnmọ̀ ní Òṣègbẹ́padà, Yọ̀ríyọ̀rí Òṣùbú. Those are the people that I will know to, known to be the Iyamis. Anybody that these people support, kò sí Iyami kankan, kò sí àjẹ́ ayé kan tó máa ṣe kí ni support no. Anybody tó bá go against, kò sí Iyami on earth will go for the person. Kò lè work. That is what Ifá said. lọ́ máa ń sọ nínú pa pé àjẹ́ ayé kan ò lè gbogbogbogbogbò dúdú tó máa pa ọmọ àjẹ́ ọ̀run. Àjẹ́ ayé kan ò ní gbogbogbò tó máa wòwò tó máa pa ọmọ àjẹ́ ọ̀run. Torí kò lè ṣẹlẹ̀, torí kò lè work. So nígbà tí eléyìí wá bẹ̀rẹ̀, when they started, the first thing that happened, Olódùmarè himself, again, yo. Let's go back to Ọ̀yẹ̀kú Ògbè now. Ọ̀yẹ̀kú Ògbè. That is where Ifá say pàálà kìsà ń já. Ọdún ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ ní ó fi àyà gbá ọrùn. Àdífá fín ọlọ́fin. Àdífá fún Elédùmarè akọ̀túnkọ̀sùn níjọ́ tí ayé bàbá rẹ̀ dúró ayé. When Elédùmarè decided ipe human being máa wà, àwọn èèyàn máa wà lórí ilẹ̀ yìí. Ìyẹn ọlọ́fin ọ̀tẹ̀tẹ̀ tá a máa pè l'Odùduwà was already on earth. Pẹ̀lú àwọn irúnmọlẹ̀. Ọlọ́fin ọ̀tẹ̀tẹ̀ ó ti wà ní planet Earth. So Elédùmarè himself won't create one human being. That human being is called any. A being in our image. Any. Ẹ wo àwọn orúkọ tí Ifá gan fún wa. Tẹ́ bá wo àwọn orúkọ tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n kọ sínú àwọn ìwé yìí nísìn. Ẹ máa rí pé àwọn gangan ni àwọn gan Ifá ti sọ ti pẹ́. Àwọn gan imitate Ifá gan ni. Wọ́n copy Ifá. Let us create a woman being in our image. Nǹkan tí Genesis sọ nìyẹn nínú ìwé mímọ́ Bible. Now, kẹwàá nísìnyí. Ṣé most of it going is even from Ifá. So the first human being by Elédùmarè fúnra rẹ̀ was a woman, not a man. When the woman came, Elédùmarè himself was the one that passed her through the rivers of gods and the rivers of Nimes. Sorry, rivers of the gods and rivers of dams. So the young girl came at the age of 14, according to Ifá. You know, and the girl was already ready for production. Now, Ifá wá sọ wípé everything that will make this lady a mother will be possible. Now, what that is even telling us now is that a female baby born today, the lady will have 450,000 eggs. It is just to confirm what Ifá have said. And this Enibini gave birth to set of twins 8 times. Fún Ọlọ́fin ọ̀tẹ̀tẹ̀ tamale tamakpe ní Odùduwà. Ìyẹn the primordial one ni o. So while this was happening, Elédùmarè was closely monitoring what was going on. There's another irúnmọlẹ̀ on Earth, observing what was happening on Earth. Now, what they discovered was that when the 16 children grew up, remember that there was no other human being on Earth. Now, they want to start practicing insect breeding. Ọmọnú orógbó now went to tell Elédùmarè. Ọmọnúgbò, sorry. Told Elédùmarè this must not happen. Oh. Then Elédùmarè now said, they must create more human beings. Ẹ wá gbọ́ nǹkan tí Ifá sọ. Ìní orosùn Ọ̀yẹ̀kú. Kẹ́lẹ́kẹ́lẹ́ ni mo tara, dùgbẹ̀dùgbẹ̀ ni mo tara. Kẹ́lẹ́kẹ́lẹ́ ni mo dẹ́gbà, kẹ́lẹ́kẹ́lẹ́ ni mo rìn. àdífá fún ọmọ inú igbó tó ń tọ̀run bọ̀ wálé ayé tó ń bọ̀ wá túnlé ayé ṣe ẹ̀tá ayé ṣe ọlọ́mọ tá ayé ṣe káyé má dàrú o ọlọ́mọ tá ayé ṣe tún lè ṣe ọlọ́mọ tún lè ṣe kí lè má bàjẹ́ o ọlọ́mọ tún lè ṣe torí ṣe ọlọ́mọ torí ṣe kórí má bàjẹ́ o ọlọ́mọ torí ṣe. That was the assignment gave to Omonugbo. Mend the word. Olomo, please mend the word so that this word will not go to ruin. Mend the word. Mend our homes. Olomo, mend our homes so that our homes will not scatter. Olomo, mend our ori. Please mend our ori so that our ori will not fail. That was the assignment that Eledumare gave to Omogbo. Now, Eledumare created 2,000 more Eshu Odara. Had to go and bring the first gray. Tebaron Titi Akamara low. He brought it back. That was the same gray of child that is used to make me and you. Now, on it about test the you just experiment. Just get a white bed sheet, clean it very well, lay your bed. Now go and take your bath. Wash yourself, clean yourself very well. Use your towel to, clean yourself dry. Mop everything. Then sleep. The following day, check your bed. You will still find some grain of sand. That is the confirmation. It is just a reminder for you to know that we come from sand, we return back to sand. It's as simple as that. That is what Ifa said. So the moment that we all understand this, now we go to a stage that Eledumare decided that will be the end of creation. Now we will move now to another stage, another level now. This is the level of procreation. For a woman, everything that she needs to, for procreation must be born with her. But for the man, 9 years, 10 years, like that. Before what they will use for procreation, ó máa wá fún ara ọkùnrin and it will come to the man. It means that what the man will use for procreation is coming from above. Ṣùgbọ́n tí obìnrin yẹn, ó ti wà lára ìbọn ṣe bí. Ìyẹn jẹ́ kó máa yé wa pé àwọn obìnrin gan ti pé á ti wà. Ìyàtọ̀ tó wà díẹ̀ lára ọkùnrin àti obìnrin nìyẹn. Now, nítorí pé àwọn obìnrin, women, we are physically, spiritually more complete than men. That's what Ifa said. So nígbà tó wá ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀, again, Eledumare gave this assignment to Obatala. Ogun. You even say that Obatala is a beloved of Eledumare. Obatala that keeps failing, yet Eledumare keeps sending him. This time around, Obatala succeeded. Now, this is what Obatala did. Ifá ní wípé he put one substance, one liquid into the body of a man and to the body of a woman. When you go into copulation, what you are expecting is those two substances. Ifa now says that when these two substances are coming, you'll be incorporated by Obatala. Your body will change. You will know that it is coming. Now, you will not need the ashe of Obatala for that thing that happened to become a baby. Let's go back to Ogbefuru. Afun yinyin, akàn yinyin. Apọ̀n bí àgbà àdífá fún òòṣà ńlá, òòṣà rẹ̀ máa gbo. Èyí tó ń bọ́ obìnrin olóbìnrin sìn tó ń doyún. Adúfẹ́ fún ọba ńlá, òòṣà rẹ̀ máa gbo tó ń bọ́ obìnrin olóbìnrin sìn tó dẹ̀ ń dọ́mọ. Òrìṣà òkè bá ń bá tèmi sùn kó dọ́mọ. Nǹkan tí yẹn ń sọ fún wa ni wípé àfún yínyín, akàn yínyín, that sparkling white, that is the message of Ifa to Oshanla Osharemagbo Obatala, who will be making love to other people's wife to get pregnant. Obatala, please come and make love to my wife so that she will get pregnant. Obatasha, come and make love to my wife so that we can have a baby. When Ogbekuru is cast, especially to the woman of having a problem of childbearing, that woman, she does not have any physical problem. She only needs to affiliate with Obatala, so that Obatala will put Ashe into what is coming and it will become a baby. Let's look at another thing again, so that Amabale Igmo wípé Ifá is superb. Okay. When Olofin Otete, ìyẹn tá ń pè l'Odùduwà later, was coming, he used a mystical chain to come to the heart. Eladimare gave a pronouncement. Nǹkan tó ṣe yìí o, lẹ́ni yìí o, will be replicated by all the human coming to this world. That mystical chain is what we call umbilical cord. Umbilical cord. And have you seen a baby born with no umbilical cord? Need to talk okukusi. Again. Eledumare passed any being through the rivers of gods and the rivers of dams. When a woman goes into labor, the moment the water breaks, we know that the baby is already in the river of dams. Everybody will be ready that the baby is coming. After that, you will see blood. The baby already is very close. After that, the baby will come out. That is just the major principle of Ifaposhe Lakala. History will always repeat itself. Now we can all see that. Kaba joko kaba ropes critically. Yo yewa. Eja wo Eledumare funra ẹ. When Eledumare came into this world, ó fi ọwọ́ ẹ̀ sí ilẹ̀ on the ground. Odù tó yọ jáde was Odi on the right, Urosun on the left. The first characteristic of Odu Urosu, the person will be very powerful, very influential. But the person will have a problem of insomnia. Elédùmarè ò ń sùn. The person will have a slight problem of childbearing. Torí Elédùmarè ò bímọ tiẹ̀. Ẹ gbọ́ Ifá o. Nígbà tí Ọlọ́run God is crying, àwa ọmọ ènìyàn, we take it to be rainfall. Nítorí wípé God have no child is the reason for the cry. When he cries, all the plants will rise up. We will not have more creation. Everything will be okay. Human beings will be okay. Nítorí pé Ọlọ́run ò ná mọ́. God is not producing. Now it has moved away from creation to multiplication. Now that is why all of us, we are the product of Olófin Ọ̀tẹ̀tẹ̀, Ọbàtálá, Ògún, Ọ̀ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì, Èṣù Ọ̀dàrà, Orunmila. Àwọn 7 divinities yìí, kò sí ẹni tí ó affiliated pẹ̀lú wọn. The bones in our body, Ifá ní wípé Ògún ló ṣe, was created by Ògún. They are like metals. That's why it has a lot of iron. But Ifá says, again in Ogbefuru, the bones that were oxidized, those are the ones that they call akọ. Male iron, akọ Ògún. Sorry, akọ irin. That is a male child. Which the ones that are not oxidized is called Obirin, and that is Obirin. Jẹ́ ká dá dúró báyìí ní ti èní. So let's put let's stop here for today. We will continue in series 3 for the completion of this our series of creation according to Ifá. If you have any follow-up question concerning this, you can WhatsApp me or call me +234 811 084 5303. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.